last video I filled most of the holes, I mean all the holes in this desk. After that I put on some sealant, which is recommended for walls, for construction materials, like this white stuff. But it worked just fine on plywood. It hardened the surface, and allegedly the paint will stick much better and will be much more uniform in texture, or I don't know, we'll see. I haven't tried it yet to put it on this sealant. So here is some black paint. I am going to open it. It cost like $2, and I'm going to put it on with a simple brush. No fancy tool or anything like that. Just a classic brush like this one. It cost like $50. And let's see the paint. Oh boy. Ugh. Not a proper tool. Okay. It opened. It's this nice shiny black. Whatever. It's cheap paint, $2 paint. So let's see. Let's put things aside and let's start at the holes and go with the grain. As you can see, the lines are in this direction on this stupid piece of plywood. So let's try to follow that. Let's see. Yeah. Well, it's covering it. Hopefully. It most likely won't be just one coat. I'll have to put on another one like 10 hours from now, or 4 or 5. I don't know what it says on the paint. Wait a second. Yes. Wait. 17 hours before. Okay, in 17 hours. It says we'll have to wait 17 hours to put on the second coat. Oh well. That's fine. But the second light is not helping me. How can I see the paint better? Oh boy. This brush is falling apart. That's not good. Hey, come out. Oh boy. What have I made here? I can still touch it until it dries somewhat. I can go over it once more, but it's not recommended. So let's just cover the whole thing. It won't be perfect, but then hopefully the second coat will correct it. Correct mistakes of the first. Like that. Right up to the edge. I can put lots of paint. not trying to save any here. So let's put it somewhere else like that. Make sure everything is covered softly. Here, what's going on? It's not looking too well, but for the cheapest desk in the world, I think it will be fine. Let me just show you. I'm putting on more paint, thicker coat. I started with very thin. That's not recommended. It spreads better this way. Now I don't know what to do between the two. Oh boy. One continuous stroke that is desired. So you can't tell that I applied the paint to one side and to the other. Yeah, that's okay maybe. Let's say it's okay. More paint, and we'll try to go across the whole surface like that. Let's just complete it here with some more paint like that, and then we'll go across the whole desk. Make it seem like it was factory painted or something, painted by an amateur, not a beginner. Okay. Now I kind of know what to expect, so I can go faster. Put down lots of paint and just pull it from side to side, like that. And it will cover the surface nice and neat. Yes. Well, you can see the holes. They are sticking out somewhat. I mean, the silicone filling, the hot glue filling in the hole, it's visible right now, but it will disappear once it dries, or I don't know what to do with it. Heat it up again and make it flat, or something else, but let's see first how the first coat will dry and what the problems will be. paint. I see some lines here that it didn't cover. We have lots of paint. This would cover with one coat about 20 desks like this, 20 coats total. So for $2 it's a bargain. Now if you want to paint the whole desk, that's another story. Then maybe this is enough for one desk with the legs and the other side and everything, and the back. I mean, at least the front side of the back. So for now, I just painted the top. That's the most important, because that will actually be used for a laptop desk and maybe writing on paper. So hopefully this will be fine. Like that. I think it's okay for the first coat. And now maybe I can't show you, but I will paint the side. I mean, in the front. The side of the plywood. Carefully, not to mess up the top. The brush can uncomfortably penetrate the top, and that's not good. So I have to be careful here, not to mess up the paint on the top. Excellent. I mean, mostly okay. Mostly okay is the new excellent. Like that. And I don't know what to do about this. There's a line here. Maybe go over it once with the brush. We'll see in the second coat. For now it's okay. I will have to pick up this plywood and put it in somewhere it can dry. It has a horrible smell, I won't leave it in the room. So that's it for now. Hoping for the best, and I will show you how it looks when it dries after a day, maybe 17 hours, like the like it says on the paint.